Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to make money on AliExpress. So you can use AliExpress as a tool to build an online business. And the most common way to earn money from AliExpress is dropshipping. So the concept is that you have to list AliExpress products on platforms like eBay, Amazon or Shopify and sell them at higher price than you will order it from AliExpress. And when a customer buys from you, you order from AliExpress and shipped straight to your customer. Another way how to make money on AliExpress is through AliExpress affiliate program. So the thing is that you have to share special links to products, and when people buy through your link, you earn some small commission. And also, a third way how to make money on AliExpress is that you can work with wholesale buying. So that means that you have to order in bulk from AliExpress and resell items locally or on other marketplaces. So that's basically how you can make money on AliExpress. I hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.